Let's take a look at the Module 12 review pages, page 385. Let's look at problems 1 and 2. So for problem 1, we are completing the table using this equation. So we're simply plugging in values for x to find y. So we have 3x plus 2. We should start with the second one, but we'll start with the first one. So when x is negative 1, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 plus 2 gives us negative 1. So when x is negative 1, y is negative 1. When x is 0, again, we should have started with this one because when x is 0, then our b is simply, well, our b is our y value. That is the y-intercept. So when x is 0, y is 2. What about when x is 1? So then we come back over to our equation, 3 times x, so 1 plus 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So when x is 1, y is 5. What about when x is 2? Plug it in. 3 times 2 plus 2, that's 6 plus 2 gives us 8. So when x is 2, y is 8. And the last one, 3. 3 times 3 plus 2. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 gives us 11. So for that one, not too terribly difficult. Just plug it into the equation. Now for number 2, determining the slope and y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept is the easiest point. It's where does the line cross the y-axis. So where does it cross this y-axis? And the point is right here. And that is at plus 1. So the y-intercept is 1. Now the slope, you pick 2 points to find the slope. So we're going to use the y-intercept, which is 0 and 1. And this point right here, which is 1, 4. Now for the slope, slope is m, and that is change in y over change in x. So the change in the y, we have 4 minus 1 over the change in x, 1 minus 0. So that is 3 over 1. So our slope is 3. So you should have over here slope, or m, equals 3.